Hi, if you are tuning in, this video is actually a little bit different. It's actually meant for a message to the teachers and students of Ali Hadri Elementary School in Mirash, Kosovo. I hope I got the pronunciation correct. What I wanted to do is send y'all a message, and most likely none of you know who I am or would even remember me, but 27 years ago, July 1999, many of you may remember that there was a conflict in Kosovo and many American soldiers came to Kosovo, and I was one of them. We had the opportunity to volunteer at different towns, different schools, and I had the honor of going to your school. I can't remember the exact date, but it was probably around September or so of 1999, and we were going there multiple times, maybe for 3 months or so, because eventually all of us had to return to our duty station back in Germany. I have one of the best memories of my life when I was there, just helping, cleaning the school, fixing windows, and with everyone's help, I have great memories of us driving into town with our military vehicles, and as soon as the people in your town would spot the military vehicles, the crowd would form, and by the time we make it to the school, which is not very far, there were over 100 students, kids, teachers, parents. I have no idea. And so there was a small group of us, maybe 4 or 5, that we went there multiple times. And then while we're there, we had the opportunity to interact with you, and also our relatives. For most of us, our relatives, our families were back in Germany, because that is where our unit deployed from. They would send clothes, school supplies, whatever we thought that may help your school. It was a great memory, and it's something that I have never forgotten 27 years later. And I would love to go back one of these days. It's on my bucket list. It's one of those things that I want to do before I die. I want to go back and visit your town, your school once again. And maybe this time I can bring my wife along with me. So if you're watching this video, is because my good friends Lari and Jean are traveling the world by bike. They started from Brazil, worked their way through Germany, Balkans, Asia. We met in Japan, where I currently live. And when we met in Japan, we became good friends, and we stay in touch. When I heard that they were in Bulgaria, I asked if they are going to travel through Kosovo. They said, yes, we are. So I told them this story and my great memories that I have of Kosovo. And I told them that what I just said, I would love to go back one of these days. And it kind of gave them a little bit of the background. And so they asked if it's okay for them to visit your school. And absolutely, I hope it's okay. I hope you have the opportunity to get to meet them. They are traveling around the world, and I am really happy to see that 27 years later, now the country of Kosovo is in the condition where you can ride through safely. I'm really looking forward to seeing the videos, to see the progress. Because when we arrived, as you well know, the conditions were not great. Many houses were still burning, destroyed, to include some damage to your school and so on. I just wanted to make this quick video and say thank you again for the great memories that 27 years later, I still have the letter that we received from the principal and his family. 27 years later, I still carry it with me because, again, there was the great memories that I have, and one of these days I'd love to go back. So again, I hope you get to meet them. I hope you enjoy the company, and have a great day. Bye.